actually did think I was a fool, didn't you?
No, I sure didn't.
No, I don't know. Well, it doesn't look like it. I'm not home. I've got this. That's why I told you, liars and thieves, I don't believe anything they say.
For over a year, the same woman kept coming back to the same porch stealing cigarettes. Nobody could stop her. Then one day, she took something she shouldn't have, and the chief of police personally showed up to handle it himself.
I've gotten a call that there was a theft that happened.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what's going on?
Yeah, so I guess her name, the woman that I called earlier, she's been taking cigarettes off of our porch for well over a year.
Just taking the butts?
The butts, and if we leave a pack out here, she'll take the entire pack.
And where does she stay?
She's up there somewhere. The last guys that this is like the third time we've called.
Up where?
And the little duplex is just right up that road.
Okay.
Like up above the town hall there.
Okay.
So I moved. They said that they couldn't do anything about her. So I started putting our trash can back there in a flower pot and putting our butts in there to just try and keep her, just try and dissuade her from coming up on our porch. Because you can see right near our apartment, it just makes me real uncomfortable. We have her on camera. I have the videos I can send you if you want.
Okay.
I have one of her taking the cigarettes, but her taking the flower pot was just
That's the last straw?
I guess so. That's definitely.
She took it from here?
It was back here. I was trying to keep it to where it's harder for her to get to, so that it was dissuading her from coming up here. And she took the entire trash can, which I say trash can. It was a really nice brass flower pot.
Okay.
That I was using.
Yeah, as a butt can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just to try and.
Okay.
Yeah, keep it clean up here. Now I'm I think she took.
And it's brass, you say?
Yeah, it's brass. It's about this big, about that tall. And it's pretty nice.
It's 9 o'clock.
So that's where, if it was just a trash can, I would still be don't be taking shit off of our porch. But that's a nice pot. and I was, last couple of times I've called and they said, we can't do anything about her, which I understand.
Well,
it still makes me
from what I've seen, she has my introduction to her was some body cam footage from one of my officers.
Oh, really?
And let's just say it was pretty gross.
Yeah.
And the thing she did was pretty gross.
Okay.
So.
That's where, I don't want to I thought about,
I don't know if anybody would keep her more than a couple hours, even if we put her in jail.
Okay.
But it doesn't make her above the law. And I'll go up there, see if I can find out where she lives, and see if I can get your stuff back.
Thank you.
If that'd probably be the easiest thing. See if I can talk her into staying off your porch.
I would love that. At this point,
we can lock her up, put her in jail, all this other stuff. But she's not going to be found guilty of anything because she's just literally insane.
Okay. Well, and that's where I was trying to just make it harder for her, but it's instead of I don't want to
maybe a doggy door or something like that.
That's kind of where I was going to at this point of
I don't know where
she's got at least the messed up foot. That's honestly why I put it over there. She can't reach the trash can over there.
Yeah, maybe she can't get over the doggy door, like the little kid door, like you put up, something like that. Maybe it's easy to take it down, lean it against here when you want to hang out on the front porch.
So
so it will help you out.
Something like that,
I hate you have to spend your own money just to.
That's what,
But
it seems silly, but
it's like a mockingbird. Mm-hmm. She's got fixations, and you've got the bright and shiny.
Yeah.
So she
just keeps coming.
Yeah. Long as you decorate and have the bright and shiny, she's gonna come back. Everybody else is just like, nah, it ain't worth it.
Yeah, well, we don't have any neighbors now. Right?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
We've all had issues with her at some point or another.
Oh?
She harassed that guy down there for a while, but he doesn't have anything out there for her to take.
Yeah, but I'm gonna see if I get your pot back.
Okay.
Hey, sorry, she wouldn't come to the door. Might not be back yet. I don't know.
Okay.
One or the other.
Okay.
But what, you want to take a warrant out for her, or what do you want to do? Because that's the only thing I can do. I help you with is we do a report and then take a warrant out for her for theft.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want the video?
If you have it, yeah, that'd be awesome.
Let me grab my phone.
It's one of them things. She comes by
Yeah. Can you just send it to me?
Yeah. So,
Okay.
I have, so from a couple nights ago, her stealing a pack of cigarettes, and then tonight as well. What's your number, or do you want me to email him?
I usually have a business card, but it didn't grab me off my desk today. Okay.
And I'll put the subject line as my name.
I'm sorry?
I'll put the subject line as my name.
Okay. And this happened what time today?
This one was 4:57 a.m.
Really?
Usually it's like 3 to 5 a.m. That's why we never catch her. 'cause we're
Yeah,
always
it's always the time that. Yeah, and Monday was 5 a.m. 5:05.
You said it was Monday?
That was 8:13, whichever day that was. The second, I think that was Monday.
Today?
Tuesday. Sorry.
Today's the 15th.
Yeah, so that was Tuesday. It was 5 a.m.
Whew. I forgot today was Thursday.
No, yeah, I was like, what day is it?
Okay. Alrighty. I'll get her name and stuff from our previous files since I know where she lives and stuff.
Yeah, it sounds like she's a pretty common one, but I appreciate
Yeah, it's no problem. I'll get a warrant signed for her.
Okay.
And she's
We'll look at
the
it.
last time we were over there, we had to fight her.
Oh, really?
It really pretty bad, and she started screaming about all her female problems and defecated on herself and all this other stuff. So that's why we try not to arrest her, because it's.
We'll look into it
But-
as well.
But we can't let her run roughshod over good citizens either. So
I appreciate
you know,
And it's hard. It's like we don't want a bad outcome, but like we've had a no trespass against her.
yeah.
I've told her to.
And I'll probably add that to it, the theft and the trespassing.
Yeah, we did put the no
Yeah,
trespassing.
Sergeant Goggins called me because he knew where she stayed, and he told me where she was, and said that she had a trespassing from there. So I'll get the date and time of that. All that'll be in the report, and it'll probably all be in the warrant, and we just pick her up on it at some point.
Well, I know it's small, but it makes
principles matter.
Yeah, well,
Principles matter.
Appreciate that.
No
Well,
problem at
Have
all.
a great rest of the day.
You too. Take care. I want to meet you.
I'm sorry.
Call Goggins.
Huh? Go ahead and search her for me.
Put her stuff.
Oh,
Don't go in your pockets.
sorry. Okay. That's all my medication.
Don't reach in there like that. Pat it down first. Make sure there's no needles or anything in there.
Nothing.
You got a whole bunch of stuff.
Go ahead.
Step over here to the
All
car.
right. Sir.
She's got multiple pockets.
Be careful reaching in there.
There's nothing here.
That's my medication.
So why are you lying to me? I told you I wasn't a fool. Didn't I tell you that?
Yes, sir.
So you actually did think I was a fool, didn't
No,
you?
I sure didn't.
No, I don't know. Well, it doesn't look like it. I'm not home. I've got this. That's why I told you, liars and thieves, I don't believe anything they say.
All right.
Because you lie and you steal.
Sir, I didn't mean to.
So that you and the truth are not on friendly terms. Now, why are you up here running through these people's houses and
I
garages?
was just, I can't.
I don't want to hear that bullshit about you being on the wall.
Water.
Why were you
I'm
doing it?
thirsty.
So go home and get a drink.
That's what I was going for right now. And yes, I promise.
I told you, I've been doing this over 3 decades.
Sir, please.
You're not the first person I've met that lies so easily. You can't fool me. There's no sir, please.
Have you ran her yet?
No.
Got her ID?
Now on my desk, because I was about to do a warrant for her for theft of property.
Is your,
2 of those.
Do you have your ID in there?
Yes, I do.
You have just made me work all day long. Everywhere I go, it's you.
Confirm, unless your deputy hasn't.
Doing stuff. Having done stuff to people. Leave people alone.
For all of the houses.
Is that the cigarettes you stole from that house?
If her
Oh, no, those are mine. Those are Lucky Stripes.
I don't care. I don't know what people smoke.
Great.
I know what I don't smoke. She was much more forgiving than I would have been. She just wanted her pot back. And she wants you to stop coming on her property and stop taking her stuff. That's not yours to take. If they leave cigarettes out, that's their stuff. They paid for it. If you can't afford your habit, you need to stop. For anybody since my son was little, so sorry. I'm not that good at it. Oh, no. Of course she does.
Come on.
I'm from the 7 County Signal 3 at Sweetfield, white male, white shirt.
Hold on to this.
Okay.
Like my chest is hurting like a bone. I guess I've been walking a little, and now my chest is hurting.
Well, we got the ambulance on the way to come check you out.
Do you mind if I have a little more water?
Yeah. Can we
Yes, sir.
can we put the cuffs around the front,
Yes.
and then we can let you? Then you can drink on your own.
Please.
I assume if I'm going to transport, let me put my cuffs on her. We'll do that while we're at it.
Well, you know what I told you about your promises.
That's my broke toe.
Your broke toe?
I got a broken toe.
You want to take those off?
Got two of this one.
Just one.
You want both of them?
No, just. Can you take this shoe
You
off?
sure can. I've got a broken foot. Yep.
You've had a broken foot for as long as I've known you.
Yes.
What's this in your shoe?
My tongue, I bet.
Oh,
I used it as a mule instead.
okay.
That's different.
A little more padding, I guess.
Yes. Ow.
So I'm going to loosen this handcuff. I just want you to take your hand and put it right in front of you, okay? Well, it's a hot day out wandering around, and now you're kind of in some trouble, so that's going to stress you out a little bit. So,
Dog was kind of giving you the blues when we came up.
all things considered, whose are these?
Oh, thank you.
You can keep the water in there. You're fine. Just have a seat. I'll crank the AC up, get you out of the sun, let you relax a little bit.
Do you think they'll let me go?
I don't know. No idea. Sounds like you need to go to jail and get some stuff taken care of. The stuff's stacking up on you.
Well, what I was going to do, we just got internet, and I was calling those places. I've got, like an inspection coming up, I didn't want to say.
Yeah.
But I have to get all that taken care of by next week.
What inspection? You mean like a house inspection? Or?
Oh, well, it's something like that. It is something that I need to take care of really bad, and now my chest is killing me.
Okay, well, have a seat. I'll get the AC going a little more.
Thank you, sir.
Upgrade 1 Charlie.
She lives over there, so she walked all the way up here. We got a call that she was prowling around people's stuff, and so she got hooked up for trespass, got a bunch of warrants, and she said her chest is hurting. So we gave her some water and put her in the AC. So that's where we're at. Her name's Deanna. Miss Deanna?
Sir.
Okay. Bill?
Yeah, we can't let her keep running. She's going to run a rough shot all day.
Yep.
I couldn't hear what you said, but
Do you want?
following?
Yeah, I'll follow. Do you want to restrain or not? We haven't had any issues
No,
with her, but
that's
no.
all.
Okay.
then I can get a better assessment.
Alrighty. We're going to take these off. You are still in custody. You're still detained by me, but we're going to give you some medical treatment first.
Chest is hurting.
Gotcha. So we're going to go to Northwest Medical because it's the closest one to get you checked out to make sure you're okay, and then we'll go from there. Okay? Alrighty.
I
sorry.
can't hear you.
Sir. That's why I'm being so detained.
Because just because you have a medical, if you want to, you can. I don't care. I was trying to free up manpower, but
That's why I'm
yeah, go ahead.
still being
Yeah.
detained. I really am having chest pain.
Well, you still have multiple warrants for your arrest and continue to do things you're not supposed to. So you're not going to get away from the consequences. We're going to give you medical treatment, and then we'll go from there.
Well, I was going to get to that. I just got in.
If you're really hurting and needing medical care, you wouldn't want to have a conversation right now. You want to get on the ambulance to go to the hospital.
It makes me feel worse when I don't feel good at all.
We're taking you to the
Real
hospital.
lightheaded and.
She brought the pot back. She still got arrested. Turns out stealing cigarettes for a year leaves a pretty long paper trail.